Imagine biting into a burger that never came from a cow. No farms, no slaughterhouses, just pure meat, grown in a lab. Thanks to synthetic biology, this isn't science fiction, it's our reality. Synthetic biology is like programming a computer, but instead we're reprogramming cells. Scientists can now grow real muscle tissue using just a small sample of animal cells. In a bioreactor, these cells are fed nutrients and oxygen, allowing them to grow just as they would in a living body. Think about it. Traditional meat production leads to mass animal slaughter, contributes to 15% of global greenhouse gas emissions, and consumes enormous amounts of land and water. But lab-grown meat? It's a game changer. No killing involved, 90% fewer emissions, and it uses a fraction of the land. And yes, it tastes just like the meat you know and love. Startups like Upside Foods, Believer Meats, and Good Meat are racing to bring this innovation to our plates. In places like Singapore and the US, lab-grown meat has already passed early approvals. Even giants like McDonald's and KFC are testing lab-grown chicken for future menus. The biggest hurdle we face? Cost. Right now, lab-grown meat is pricier than traditional meat, but prices are dropping rapidly. In just a few years, you might find yourself enjoying burgers, chicken, or even sushi that came from a lab instead of a pasture. The future of food is growing, not grazing. Thanks to synthetic biology, we can enjoy meat without harming animals or the planet. So, would you eat lab-grown meat? Let's talk about it.